Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice math problem, which is x to the power of 2x plus x to the power of x. This is equal to 756. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. Now we have x raised to the power of 2x plus x to the power of x. This is equal to 756. Now the next step is that x to the power of 2 times x, this is in the form of a raised to the power of n multiplied by m, of which we can express as a raised to the power of m, then raised to the power of n. Applying this exponent property, then we have x to the power of x, then raised to the power of 2, then plus x to the power of x. This is equal to 756. Now, the next step is that x to the power of x is common here, so we can let x to the power of x be equal to u. So let's express this equation here in terms of u, so that we have u squared plus u. This is equal to 756. Now let's take 756 on the left hand side, so that we have u squared plus u subtract 756. This is equal to 0. Now, the next step is that we have u to the power of 2 plus u subtract 756, which you can have as minus 729, subtract 27. This is equal to 0. Now, this is u to the power of 2 plus u. We can express 729. This is the same thing as minus 27 to the power of 2, subtract 27. This is equal to 0. Now, we have u to the power of 2, subtract 27 to the power of 2. Then we have plus u, subtract 27. This is equal to 0. Now we have that u squared minus 27 squared. This is actually in the form of a squared minus b squared, which we can express as a plus b multiplied by a subtract b. Applying this property, then we have u plus 27 multiplied by u subtract 27, then plus u minus 27. This is equal to 0. So we have that u minus 27 is common here, so we can factor out u subtract 27. Now here we'll have u plus 27, then plus u minus 27 divided by u minus 27. This is 1. This is equal to 0. So we have u subtract 27 multiplied by u plus 27 plus 1. This is plus 28. This is equal to 0. Now, we have got two parts here. We have u subtract 27. This is equal to 0. Then we have u plus 28. This is equal to 0. Now, this is to mean that u1 is equal to 27. We have u2. This is equal to negative 28. Now, the next step is that if you recall, we have seen that we let x to the power of x be equal to u. Now, let's start with u1. We have that x raised to the power of x. This is equal to 27. Now, we have that 27. This can also be expressed as 3 raised to the power of 3. So we have x to the power of x. This is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Now this means that if you check the base here, this is equal to 3. If we check the exponent x, this is equal to 3. So this means that x, in this case, this is equal to 3. We have the value of x is equal to 3. Now, let's check case 2 here. Let's check on the second case here. Let's check on case 2, where we have u2, this is equal to 28. Now let's check on case 2, where we have u2 is equal to negative 28. Now we have that x raised to the power of x, this is equal to u. Now x to the power of x, this is equal to negative 28. And we have that x to the power of x, this is actually greater than 0, as opposed to what we have on the right hand side here, this is less than 0. So in this case, we cannot proceed to solve for the value of x. So case 2 is rejected. Case 2 is rejected. Now we have that the value of x in this case is equal to 3. We have the value of x as 3. Now let's check if this value of x satisfies the equation. So we have x raised to the power of 2 multiplied by x, then plus x raised to the power of x. This is supposed to give us a value of 756. So this is 3 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 3, then plus 3 raised to the power of 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 756. Now this implies that we have 3 raised to the power of 2 times 3, this is 6, then plus 3 to the power of 3, this is 27. This should be equal to 756. 3 to the power of 6, this is the same thing as 729 plus 27. This should be equal to 756. So we have 729 plus 27. This is 756, which is equal to 756. So this means that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this affirms that the value of x here is equal to 3. So we have only one solution here, which is equal to 3. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.